back to Science Ninja Kids TV
at Torquay Museum. It's Science Ninja time!
Today we're going to be doing an experiment called
Seeing Sound. So I've been wondering, can we actually see sound?
No, but you can see its effects.
What we're going to be doing is transferring energy. What you're going to need is one of these and a bowl of water. This is a tuning fork, and when you whack it, it creates vibrations and you can hear and feel the vibration.
First we're going to hit the tuning fork and put it in the water, and the water will explode.
And that's why we're Science Ninja Kids.
We can make sound show through different mediums, okay? So through a solid or a liquid, we can actually see it. Because sound travels through vibrations. So when I'm talking, if I put my hand on my throat, I can feel my vocal cords doing this. So they vibrate really quickly and rub into each other, and that's how sound's made. So even if I scratch the table, those atoms are moving, and that's how we hear sound. So I've got a bowl with some cling film. So it's pulled really tight. So have you ever been on a trampoline?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the same principle. It's pulled really tight. It's a little bit bouncy. Can you take some rice for me and just sprinkle it on top in a little pile? Yeah, just a little pinch. Just like that.
We're using tuning forks.
They're gonna make the rice jump up and down.
Sound makes the rice move with vibration. And that's the Science Ninja experiment.